Hello, thanks so much for coming. This will be a new, interesting sort of video. I can now do a little editing, so I can do little things at a time. So here I have a box that has just arrived. It is from the man, Rudy, from Rudy's Retro Intel, and they are prototypes that should allow me to plug a 1701 or 1702 into an old original PET and get video. That is the idea. By the way, I just noticed the tape on here, which first I thought, oh, what a coincidence, but then I read it said Z80, 6502, 6809, 8080. 8 bits are all you need. So anyway, inside this box are 3 different prototypes that should make this happen. Now, I have been off the air for a bit. And the signs, of course, proclaim otherwise. But what I need to do is I need to go and find an original PET, which, of course, I know I have, and I know where it is. And I will turn it on and make sure it seems all happy, and I will bring a... will I bring a monitor up here? Well, I have monitors here. I'm wondering if I could use this. I don't know. Anyway, you know what? I may not even do it here. I may do it downstairs, because that's where the PET is. And I might have more space. This is a fine table, but it is not that big. But anyway, lurking within this box are 3 prototypes. That does not mean 3 things that are the same. There are 3 different circuits that Rudy found in various places. And he built circuits and then sent away and got circuit boards made, and now it is time to do the testing. Rudy does not have an old original PET to test it on, and apparently there are some differences. So his efforts were okay, and there is hope that all of them will work, but certainly that at least one of them will work. But we shall see. I have not opened the box. That will be soon. Very soon. So thanks for coming. This video shall continue. It is not bye for now, it is stay tuned. Hello! Thanks for coming back. And staying tuned. So we have the same box here. We have an 1802 monitor. And what I'm going to do is I'm not going to do things upstairs because it's a small table and it's a lot of stuff to move. So I'm going to make sure this monitor works. I will open this box and then I will bring over here from the other table over there that you can't see one of the old original PETs to test out the prototypes that Rudy of Rudy's Retro Intel has made. So, stick with me. We're going to do it. We're going to do it. Yes, sir. We're going to do it. Alright. So we are getting there. We have the PET. We have the monitor. Got to check the monitor. Got to check the PET. And open the box from Rudy. Alright, so here is an old original PET. I have been working on this. And I believe the cassette drive kind of went weird. But everything else was good. So let's turn it on. Let's see what we see. Oh, okay. So, it does seem to be happy. It does. So, it's a funny thing, I was just going to say, it's weird because when I first started this up before, what is going on with that? The memory didn't actually come up properly, but now it is. Oh, the world is full of mysteries that I just don't understand. Well, you know, just for fun, because I think this tape deck is wonky, I'm going to press play. It's been some months since I've tinkered on this, So I'm going to press play, and now I got to look for a cable so I can test out this 1802. The process continues. Alright, so the monitor is now plugged in, although it's connected to nothing. This continues to search on tape 1, which of course I know it won't do because something's wrong. But now I'm going to turn on the power switch on the monitor and see what we see. Now it's not connected to anything. Oh, okay, so something is happening there. I think before I inflict this onto this, I'm going to go get a 64 or a VIC-20 to give this a try and make sure. The secret of troubleshooting is make sure you know what you got that's working and only do one thing at a time. One thing at a time. Hello, so I have a Commodore 64 with a power supply, video cable hooked up, chop lifter on board. I'm not going to play. We know the monitor should be looking good. Now, and the pet's still searching, not going to find anything. Data set broken. Anyway, now I need to find, well, maybe I need to open the box and call Rudy, but I have to find just an RCA to RCA cable. I think that's what I will need. Maybe that's why I should open the box first and see what kind of connector is on there. So, we are getting there. I am noticing this monitor does have a bit of a shake to it. Interesting. I wonder, does it still have a shake without the chop lifter? Huh. Yeah, it does. Well, this still should not keep us from figuring out what we need to figure out. And then maybe we consult with Rudy of Rudy's Retro Intel about the monitor. I know he did a thing recently on a PET. Oh, maybe it's not shaking now. Where he replaced capacitors in a PET monitor to see about the shake. Is it shaking? Maybe not. Anyway, onward. Hi, it's time to open the box with tape that says Z80. Oh, what's that? Oh, okay. The tape has come to an end. Imagine. It didn't pop. Yeah, there's something weird going on there. You know what I think? I think I'm going to turn the pet off and let it rest. Okay, so, as I said, Z80, 6502, 6809, 8080, 8 bits are all you need, so they say. So I'm going to take a screwdriver, and with great care, I'm going to open. And I have no doubt that these prototypes are packed with tremendous care. Alright. I see bubble wrap. Always a good thing. Oh yes. Okay. So here. Okay. Here. Connector used for all 3 cards. User port. PET revealed. PET user group. Internal computer mod, 1 of 3. Okay, I'm going to set that down, and I will open things. Let's see what we have here. What has Rudy created? Aha. Interesting. User port, top. Good to know. Yes, very good. Alright. And here are the prototypes, never before seen. Aha. And tightly packed. I do not want to hurt anything, therefore I will rip this open. Aha! Yes, I do need an RCA cable. Okay, so there is the magic circuit. And I will need an RCA cable. I will. And, oh, it's got a little potentiometer to adjust things. So, alright, that's one. I will set that down carefully. And now, open the second one. Alright, this one does not have a potentiometer, but it also needs an RCA cable. Alright, so obviously we're getting power off the cassette port, which is always a good thing. So this one is the PET user group card. I'm going to set this down here, and I'm going to put the original envelope that I shredded over there, so I know which is which. And now, this is the internal. Aha. Internal. Right. Okay. I'll put that here. Alright. I think now. Top. I need to find a suitable cable. And I think I need to call Rudy. So the 3 prototypes and the user port adapter, basically a gender bender that Rudy would have made, is right here. So let's find the cable. Alright, I have a cable, and I think it is time to call Rudy. One of the things I do not like about the monitor, this 1802, is you really got to turn the monitor over, set it on its face, and, you know, dick around for a while to get everything sorted. Anyway, I have one cable running into the video. I have switched the switch on the back. So now, once I connect these things to the PET, after I consult with Rudy, well, really, nothing can go wrong. Alright, so here we have it. The moment of truth. I did speak to Rudy, and he was in the middle of things, so I said, I got this. So I'm trying the one that is from the circuit in the PET revealed first. So I have everything plugged in, nothing is turned on at the moment. I think I will turn on the monitor. So yes, the interface is in the user port. The power is coming off the cassette port. The monitor should be configured. This is the one that has the potentiometer on it. And now, I'm going to turn it on. Now, what do we see over here? Alright. Well, this looks okay on the PET side. I will turn the potentiometer. Oh, I did see. I mean, I see a little funky action when I move things around. But I don't see anything. Well, I'll turn that off. Turn that off. I will take this out. Take out the power. If I can. Alright, and I will disconnect the cable. And then also take that out. the adapter. So far that didn't turn. Now one thing of course is, I haven't tested this cable. I would like to think it's okay, but I guess we'll see. So I'm going to try adapter number 2. This is the one that the description came from the pet user group. Maybe it was T-Pug. So I turn on the monitor. I turn on the pet. We saw a flash. I see the screen over here. I don't see anything over here. Now keep in mind, see, that disturbs me. Maybe I need to find another cable. Maybe there is something afoot here. Maybe. Because something is trying to happen here. Well, okay. Turn that off. Turn that off. Want to pull out the interface. Pull off the power. Undo everything. And set that one back here. Now this one, internal, you know what, I better check with Rudy before I do anything else. Stay tuned. Hello. So I talked to Rudy. This one said internal, but it looked external, and it is indeed for the external way of doing things. So, the pad is off. Everything is off. I'm going to go back. I have changed the cable. To the monitor. Because that other cable, it might be fine, but I don't know it. I don't trust it. And I couldn't test it on anything. So, yes, and I took this to the red. Alright, so monitor on. Computer on. And I see nothing. And the brightness is up. There's another thing. I do prefer the and I still see flickering and flashing. So maybe that cable was alright. Alright. Now this is looking okay. Alright. Computer off. Monitor off. User port adapter out. Circuit off. This is from the pet user group. I'm going to go back while I'm still here to the one that has the potentiometer. So, power in, user port connector in, cable in, monitor on, turn on the pet. Okay over here, and I see nothing over here. This is also one thing that is bothering or pestering me about this monitor. All the other controls that I might access are on the back. and I really can't access them. Alright. Tap off. Monitor off. Power out. This really needs a bigger thing. Okay, remember, this is a prototype. Okay, got that out? Got that out. Alright. We've not tried this one at all. Oh, I need the adapter. Alright. So everything is off. Into the user port. In to the cassette port. Alright, we're in, we're in, we're in. We will apply power. We will apply power. Alright, we see nothing. We see nothing. Alright, as they say, back to the drawing board. Hi. So generally, things have not been going particularly well. I think I misplaced which is the IEEE and which is the user port. Also, I didn't trust that other monitor. Anyway, as you see, I have switched to the 1701, which is working with the 64. So, I will now take and put the input from this device, which I believe is now into the correct port. Now the monitor is on, I will turn on the PET. It looks okay. But of course I see nothing. Let's see. Crank up everything. See, there is some acknowledgement when I turn it on. I know that the switch is in the right place. Video. Video. Well, this is not going as planned at all. I'm sure there must be something, or maybe, could it be that isn't really for the old pet? I don't know. Alright, let's try this other version. Circuit. That is off. That is off. Now, of course, have I ever tried to run something on this pet, such as this? No. Do I know that the chips inside are perfectly perfect? No. I'm getting nothing. Well, no, I'm not not getting nothing, I'm getting kind of frustrated. Let's try again. And the pet will go on. And it looks just dandy over here. I'm going to tweak the potentiometer. When I waggle it, things happen. This is frustrating, not just for me, I suspect for you and Rudy as well. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I will wiggle. Oh dear. Alright, I need to consult with somebody else or do something else or try something else. And what is that? I'm not sure. So I think the pet